Alright, this is a video tutorial on how to set up your spray gun. All you need is a piece of cardboard to set your spray gun up. Make sure it's connected to your compressor. So what you're doing here is we actually can test to see how much chemical is coming out of the gun when you spray on a piece of cardboard. This nozzle over there, as you can see, Hudson is tightening it. This controls the amount of chemical that's coming out of your gun. That is the width of the spray, so you want to generally it's tightened. You can see there's a little piece there. You want to tighten it this way clockwise. You want to tighten it all the way through until it's completely closed. You want a very fine spray coming out, and then your last one is the pressure of the air coming out. Okay, so that if you open it up that way, that makes more air pressure come out, less pressure coming out. Okay, so you want to close it a bit more when using your spray gun. Okay, let's test it. Okay, can you see it only got it didn't have a lot of chemical coming out of it. It slowly started getting wet. If we are now, let's adjust the chemical at the back there. You can see it's completely closed. Let's open it up nicely. Just want to show you the difference here. Okay, so it came out a lot faster. Alright, so again, for chemical, for the width of the spray, and for pressure.